Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all this soft glam look that I did on my client. Stay tuned. All right, let's get into it. I'm really excited to be showing y'all this look because I have yet to feature a soft glam look on my YouTube channel. I have showed y'all a natural glam look, which has minimal eyeshadow or almost no eyeshadow. Then I've showed you a full glam look, which is really colorful and has glitter. But this one is a nice happy medium. It's going to be a neutral look with just soft blended shadows. She's going to have a little bit of pop of color for the lips, which added a nice flare. But this is a little bit different from anything that I've showed y'all on the channel. So I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. I won't be talking too much throughout the video, but stay tuned to the end to see the final look. And that is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another makeup video. Until next time, bye.